Kenya. Kawadhi nyime, en jatend piny William Ruto kaachiel gi jatend piny Afrika ma Milambo Cyril Ramaphosa ochuoko gi ogirimiti 6 mageto bero chenro mopogore opogore. Chenrogo oriwo mag ohala, somo, tuke kaachiel kod chenro mag dongruok e kind pinje ma Kenya kod Afrika ma Milambo. Kolose boma ma Pretoria e kinde limbe mare moyiedhi e pinyno, Ruto wacho ni ogirimiti ma kamano biro tego tudruok e kind piny Kenya kod Afrika ma Milambo.
Under our Joint Commission for Cooperation and Joint Trade Committee, which remain vital platforms for resolving trade matters and advancing our shared agenda. We must now ensure full implementation of their outcome so that businesses and investors feel tangible benefits.
Taking advantage of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, President Ruto has correctly said, this Africa Continental Free Trade Area gives us all on the African continent an historic and unprecedented opportunity to make sure that we trade with each other, to make sure that we create business opportunities on a free tariff basis.
When we bring these two economies together, we have appreciated that to the south we have South Africa and we have Kenya to the east. When you look at the entire continent of Africa, we realize our biggest challenge is the logistics. And on average, if you want to take a product from Mombasa to Ghana or any other country, it takes about 45 days. So that is very long compared to other destinations. So again, we have a role, and we believe in the area of logistics and transshipment, we can do much more to encourage free trade in Africa.
Ji adek moting'o nyathi skul primar ma Kibiri Gwindia e kaunti ma Kirinyaga